NXP's Rapid IoT Prototyping Kit is a comprehensive IoT end-node solution with a user-friendly development environment that enables users to quickly take their idea to a proof of concept. The kit is based on the Kinetis K64 MCU and KW41Z wireless MCU with an A1006 secure authenticator and NTAG I2C plus NFC interface. The device comes with pre-programmed applications, and developers can use the Atmosphere Web IDE with GUI-based programming for its simplicity, or the MCU Espresso SDK for production development. The wireless MCUs support multiple protocols for cloud connectivity, including through smartphones or NXP's modular IoT gateway. It has multiple onboard sensors, and hardware expansion is possible with microbus click ports. The device has a small form factor and is optimized for low power consumption for battery-powered operation.